Hey everyone, how's it going? Your brand new M4 Mac Mini is a beast, but Apple left a massive flaw right here on the bottom. Because it pulls air from the desk, and the thing is literally a miniature vacuum cleaner for dust, hair, and debris. If you don't shield it, it will choke out of your performance. Today we are installing the invisible $4.99 fix from Hagibis to save your Mac without running its performance. This is a really nice one because it will help with the debris, the dust, just everything that we collect in the house. You want to protect your device because this is expensive. But I wanted to mention this affects the dust prevention of a 1mm holes, prevents dust and hair from entering while still allowing proper airflow and ventilation, helps extend the lifespan of your Mac Mini components, inside here. Invisible insulation attaches directly to the air inlet. This is it right here. The inlet of the bottom of your Mac Mini, and do not attach the air outlet. Heat fins are inside of the air outlet. Compatibility designed exclusively for the Mac Mini M4 2024 and the Mac Mini M4 Pro. It does not support Mac Mini models or laptops like the other ones, just the two that I stated. And this is a 0.5 aperture dust-proof filter. It comes with two, and it comes with a 0.8mm aperture dust-proof filter with two. And let's see here. Like I said, it's $4.99 and it's free shipping on Amazon. That's the best place to go to get it. I know it sounds kind of dumb, like why do I have to put, a little sticky thing on here? But it will take care of the longevity of your device. I highly, highly recommend this. And like I said, it's gonna protect your device. And this is what it comes in, the dust-proof net. And if you're interested, definitely check out Amazon. And thank you for stopping by. I'll see you on the next video. Take care all.